Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. So as you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be another clean with me video, and we'll be focusing on my kitchen and my dining room. I did record the living room this morning, but because we had a really bad rainstorm, the footage was way too dark and I decided not to use it. This hack just involves a 3M strip and hook, and they'll keep your cords out of the way and hidden, and I've done this in a handful of areas around my house already. So let's go ahead and get started with our cleaning for today. As usual, we're going to go ahead and start off in the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the counters before I do the dishes. You'll see when I open up the dishwasher, it's pretty empty. I just had a handful of dishes in there from the day before we left to go on our little vacation. This past weekend was Father's Day weekend, so me and my husband and our son went to Rockport to spend the weekend over there. We went on Friday and we came back on Monday. So something new that Jacob has been using is this 360 sippy cup. My parents got it for him a couple months ago, but he was still a little too small to hold onto it as well as figure out how to use it. But my husband has been working with him every day for about the last week or so, just trying to get him to drink from it, and he's been doing a really good job. Now that the dishes are clean from this morning, I'm going to go ahead and clean out the sink. In the past, I have used the Lysol all-purpose cleaner to clean the sink, but like I've said in previous videos, the Lysol spray, it does a wonderful job cleaning, but the smell is really strong for me. So recently I've just been using regular dish soap, and it's been getting the job done just as well. I wanted to go ahead and say thank you once again for clicking on my video and choosing to clean with me today. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you will consider subscribing. I post tons of videos of cleaning motivation and organization, as well as mom vlogs, morning routines, and every once in a while I'll put up a recipe video as well. I am also going to pop off the bristle portion of my brush and pop that into the dishwasher to disinfect it. Now I am moving on to my stovetop, and I'm going to be using my Method heavy duty degreaser to go ahead and clean the stovetop as well as the microwave. As you can see, my microwave definitely is not that bad. It just had a little bit of splatter left behind after a couple of weeks of use. I haven't cleaned the microwave in maybe 2 weeks. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean off the countertops on this side of my kitchen as well as the backsplash. And I also want to wipe down the paper towel holder as well as my spice rack. I'm also going to go ahead and take a paper towel and my method cleaner, and I'm going to clean my salt and pepper shakers as well as my bottle of olive oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the sink side of my kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the countertops as well as the backsplash that runs along this entire area. And I cannot forget to clean the dishwasher as well. I am also going to use Clorox disinfecting wipes to clean up Jacob's bouncy chair. This chair stays 99% of the time in the kitchen, so that is why I'm cleaning it right now. And then I'm also going to move on and use the disinfectant wipes on the baker's rack as well. And definitely do not forget to clean the trash can. After I put away all of my cleaning products, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Febreze that I love to use on the dog beds to help eliminate all of their odors. And then I'm going to show you guys a hack that I use on the underside of my cabinets to hide some cords. So all you need for this hack is 2 3M strip hooks. These hooks, I believe, are advertised to hold up to 2.5 pounds. And all I did was take the hook end of the 3M strips and I put those ends together. And then all you have to do is just wrap the cord snugly around the hooks. And that's it. The cord will be up and out of your way. I have done this hack, obviously, right here underneath the cabinet. I've also done it underneath the bar area in my kitchen, as well as in my bedroom to hide TV cords behind my dresser. I also will be doing this for the black cord, but because I did not have enough hooks, I'm going to have to do the black cord later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. If you guys have seen my other videos, then you know that this is the one chore that I have to do without fail every single day. I have 2 labs and a chihuahua, and they all shed like crazy, and so this is the one thing that I have to do every day or my house will be covered in hair. While I was vacuuming, I noticed that I completely forgot to wipe down the front of my stove as well as the rack underneath the stove, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now so I don't forget. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick mop of the kitchen using my Swiffer Wet Jet. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on into the dining room and clear off the table so I can get started cleaning in here. In here I don't really need to do too much. I'm just going to go ahead and dust off the table as well as mop and vacuum. Jacob is napping right now, but later on when he wakes up, this blue basket and all of its contents will be going upstairs into his room. And I also have his medical records from his most previous visit to the doctor that I need to put into his black binder that I keep all of his information in. And then I know that there is a couple other things in here that my husband needed to go through. And I will say that I was really surprised that my husband sat down at the table. I don't know if he realized or not that the camera was on, but yeah, I was gonna tell him, and then I just realized, what the heck, I'll just go with it and let him sit at the table and get done what he needs to get done. Alright guys, so the last thing I'll be doing in this video after I vacuum is mopping the floor. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys made it all the way until the end, and I hope this video gave you guys some good cleaning motivation. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least twice a week. I'm trying my best to do 3 times a week, but right now it's about 2 times a week. Anywho, if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. It means the world to me that you guys choose to watch my videos. I will see you guys back in a couple of days in another video, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye!